Yeah, Aujo, what's the best advice that you've gotten from someone?
Oh Lord.
And if you can still remember, because now if
the fact that you say I can still remember.
If you could still remember, reason why I say that is because
I'm always honest.
Always honest.
What you think, that's on you.
That's on you.
Opinion yakho igcine kuwena noma futhi ngiyeza nakumina ngeke izingeze lutho. Mina I'm just telling you.
Okay.
You understand?
So your opinion by shove it. Is that what you're saying?
What did you say? Sorry?
Their opinion, they should shove them where?
No. They can bring it. Mina ngizothula ngizodependa. I don't know. This is the reality, sorry.
All right.
But my advice actually was hola at night. And at night, upawulo usukela kakhulu.
Like most of them.
Yazi, the first one that's popping up right now, I once got told, I don't know if this counts as an advice, but I once got told to change my name to something else.
Who told you that?
A very famous DJ.
We want to know.
Lapi Kawalila.
We want to know. Hash it out.
No.
Speed it out.
I am not gonna. Ngicela uyizwe lento lemase uzongitshela ukuthi yeah uzojaja from what I'm going to tell you. It's not hectic to me, but it was shocking. I've been sober. But at the same time, what angishintsha igama ngathi ngobani? What there's already a Cardi B. Did me nali bad lambo. Wait, I won't tell you guys the name.
Bombastic sad eye.
I will never.
No, but anyway, you know yourself.
But I want to tell you, he's a DJ. He's short. He's big. He's not from Durban. That's all I'm going to tell you.
So complexion. So
Uti, I must change my name. Give me now why. Uti, there's already a Cardi B, so it's Polo B, Cardi B. I'm like, but I came before Cardi B. It was a long shango munyege one. What's it? No one knows that. That's issue. Kiyege loyo overlu in the ocean. He has a point though.
No,
now I had to fight for. I fought the whole night.
It's not like I just came with the name.
Exactly.
Gamchazela
in the spots. Gamchazela ngathi lalela bafo. Ngobo lo engumele la. So I ngenze ama BBL mina. I'm better.
Don't get us wrong. Johan is with the BBL.
No offense.
No. But you welcome. BBL, you welcome.
I would love to do a BBL.
Oh shit, really?
Yeah, little something.
We'd love to see that. We'd love to see that, man.
You guys will respect me.
Yeah.
I'm not saying you guys personally, but like, you know, I got a future behind me.
Turkey vibes.
Yeah.
Turkey.
Can't say much, man.
Oh yeah, sister vibe.
He can't.
Turkey. And you are.
So I fought for the advice. So does it count as advice? My guys.
Because it was a suggestion from someone.
No, it was an advice.
Yeah,
it's a shitty advice.
It is a shitty one.
I fought for it.
In life, we are human, guys, right? Like we will accept any advice from anyone.
From anyone.
Because so obviously we're gonna accept.
Angizange ngimuthi bhazo. Ngamlalela.
But khona umuntu okutshela kahle ubona the when they show lo ngothi uvelo wathula nje avela ngakhuluma straight because this doesn't even make sense.
Are you my brother for real?
You my brother for real.
It counts.
How am I my brother for real?
I'm a manager, right?
Yeah. 2 or 3. And then a few wanted to approach. Approachable was very scary for me. More better. I don't necessarily, because when I tell you sometimes you're gonna feel offended.
Yeah.
I'd rather distance myself or keep quiet. Ngithule and ukuthula kwami mabom. Because even though it's like a soft fact, nakhona people don't take it softly.
Okay.
Uyayizwa leyo nto. Kuba njengazuthi ngiyamphoxa. Ngeke ufike kumina uthi let's make money. Uy bo. Wena ubona imali la, wena ubona imali. Hayi ngathi ngeke lo ighost yakho uhlehla. Go.